If you haven't heard, I am opening up the doors to my Body Wisdom program. So that is an 8-week program when you're coming on a journey with me to get to where you need to be next. All right, so no matter where you are now, wherever you are starting at right now, believe me, I've got the steps for you to get to where you would like to be next. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you are in a chronic health, situation right now, or if it's just you wanting to get to that you're here. If you follow along in boob camp, if you follow along of all the things that I teach, if this aligns with you and you're feeling a little bit stuck at the moment and you need someone to guide you, this is the program. So we're starting in September. You'll have all of my health professionals to guide you, and we're going through on an 8 to 10 week program. So you have all of the learnings, all of these tools that you can then draw upon whenever you need them for you and your family in the future. We're only taking 20 people, 20 ladies. So let me know if you'd like to chat. Enjoy your day. Bye.